Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Welcome you all. This is a special session related to the previous year question discussion in which we are going to discuss about the economics topic. Let's get into the topic. Yeah. The question of black money. Okay. See, this kind of question is somewhat tricky one. Okay. I'm not claiming that this is the toughest question, but it is a tricky question. Why I am claiming it is a tricky question means actually it is a combination of mains part or else putting a mains part into the prelims. Okay, such a way they made this question. Okay, and why they asked the suddenly the why they asked the question related to the black money is this actually India gets its second set of Swiss bank accounts detail under the automatic info exchange framework. Okay, so in the Swiss bank it is all about the black money. Okay, so at the time period of this 2021 prelims, there was a news related to the Swiss bank. Okay, so they make a question related to that by connecting it to the black money, and they asked this question. Okay, this question is actually a tricky one, or else it's a combination of mains in the prelims. Okay, first of all, let's get into the question, then you will know which one of the following effect. Okay, which one of the following effects of creation of black money in India has been the main cause of worry? Okay, the trap or the key is main cause of worry to the government of India, which means which says that all these four statements are the cause of worry for the government of India related to the black money. But what is the main cause of worry? Okay, all these four statements are the worry for the government of India, but the main cause of worry for the government of India related to the black money. That is what the question is asking. Okay, so this is the key or a tricky part of this question. Okay, let's get into the question. First, statement A: diversion of the resources. Okay, which is nothing but the black money. Who purchases the purchase of real estate and investment in the luxury housing? Obviously, okay, if they are using the black money to buying any houses means that is the major issue for the government of India. Okay, that is the issue for the government of India, but whether that is the main cause of worry for the government of India, that is the question. Okay, using the black money you are buying a house. Okay, that is a concern for the government of India, but whether that is a major worry for the government of India, okay, that is the question. Okay, next, investment in the unproductive activities and purchase of the precious stones and jewelers and golds. Okay, so using a black money you are buying a golds and silvers or coins or anything. Okay, that is a worry for the government of India. Okay, such a way you are increasing the inflation for the gold and silver. Okay, so that is a worry for India, but whether that is the main worry for the government of India, that is the question mark. Okay, next, large donation of political parties and the growth of regionalism. Obviously the growth of regionalism is the major worry for the government of India. Okay, and how to say, undisclosed income going for a political party is major worry for the government of India, but the concern is the main cause of worry. Okay, next, the loss of revenue of the state exchequer due to tax evasion. Okay, first of all you have to know that what is the motive of the government of India? To create welfare society. To create equality and equity in the country. Okay, this is the major motive of government of India. Okay, so for that they will do taxation. Okay, so the rich is using the resources of India. Okay, he is constructing a company, he is using the resources of India like land, water, okay, even air. Okay, he is actually polluting the air. Okay, whatever things he is doing and earning lot more profit. Okay, so in that the government will put the taxes. Okay, either income tax or a corporate tax. by that the government of India will accumulate certain money and they will switch it to the poor people. Okay, they will transfer it to the poor people and to maintain the balance in the society. Okay, that is what the government of India will do. That is also all about the welfare society. Okay, to maintain the balance in the society. Okay, that is what the major motive of the government of India. Okay, that is what the major motive of the government. Okay, so what they do is by the taxation they will get certain money from the rich. Okay, and they will spread it to the people of people who are in the below poverty line. Okay, such a way they will maintain the balance in the society. Okay, that is why they are doing the taxation. Okay, but the concern is the black money is nothing but the people who are earning money, but they are in such a way they are using the loopholes in the income tax law act or else in the corporate tax law. Okay, they just uses the loopholes from that act and they are avoiding the tax payment. Okay, they are just avoiding the tax payment and they are evading from the tax payment. Okay, so such a way the balance in the society is affected. Okay, so the balance in the society is affected means the main motive or the main objective of the government of India is affected. Okay, so that is the main cause of worry for the government of India. Okay, they can't maintain this balance. Okay, because of the tax evasion they are forwarding the larger tax money, they are forwarding the large black money in their home. Okay, this is the major cause of concern for the government of India. Okay, so the loss of revenue to the state exchequer due to the tax evasion. Okay, this is the main cause of worry to the government of India. Okay, all the three are the worry for the government of India. Okay, A, the purchases in the real estate. Okay, they are buying a new housing means by using the black money they are buying a home. Okay, so there will be the inflation in the real estate market. That is also an issue for the government of India. But whether that is the major issue or the main cause of worry, no. The main cause of worry is the loss of revenue to the state exchequer due to the tax evasion. Okay, because they are by that they are going to affect the objective of the government of India. They are going to affect the equality of the government, equality in the society. Okay, so that is the major cause of worry. Okay, so only said that this is the main question in prelims part. Because in mains what we do is you have to prioritize the point. Okay, you have to prioritize the point. If there is any causes or consequence question means you have to prioritize which point should be first. Such a way you have to prioritize. This question is all about prioritizing the question, prioritizing the statement. So the D is the answer for it. Okay, government of India did not to overcome the issues of black money, to curb the black money in the market. Okay, in which the most important move or else the most most successful move related to the black money is this elephant bond. Okay, so the question may be asked related to the elephant bond. The elephant bond is nothing but it is a bond. Okay, consider that a person A. Okay, he is having a black money worth of 1000 crore. Okay, it is all about by tax evasion he is holding that much of money. Okay, but there is a possibility that when the government is come to know that, okay, or else the law enforcement agency is come to know that means they will surely arrest that person. Okay, so he won't escape from the law. Okay, he won't escape from the law and order of the government of India. Okay, so in such a scenario the government of India come with a new move is called as elephant bond. It is like a win-win situation for both the government of India and the person who is holding the black money. Okay, what that elephant bond will do is okay, person with the black money. Okay, the government of India said that if you are holding a black money means I will give you the opportunity. Okay, I will release a bond. Okay, you just buy that bond. Okay, you invest all your black money in that bond. Okay, and if you are just disclosing your black money. Okay, black money is nothing but undisclosed money. Okay, if you are going to disclose this money in this bond, means there won't be any penalty for you, there won't be any actions related to the black money towards you. Okay, the government of India said that I will give you the certain immunities related to the actions or the penalties for holding the black money. Okay, so such a way the government of India said that if you are disclose your black money in this elephant bond, or else if you are going to invest the money in this bond, means there won't be any penalty, there won't be any arrest towards you for holding that black money. Okay, such a way the government of India said it. Okay, so these are the benefits for the black money holder. Immunity from the arrest and the penalty. Okay, so if you are going to invest the money, invest the black money, okay, in this elephant bond, means there won't be arrest. Okay, there won't be any penalty on you. Okay, such a way the government of India said. Okay, so this is actually the beneficiary thing for the person who is holding the black money. Okay, what is the benefit for the government of India? This elephant bond is actually a long-term bond, 20 to 30 years. Okay, so what is after getting this money, the government will do is by getting this money, they will invest this money in the infrastructure project. Okay, so such that they will get to they will do the welfare society. Okay, they will create a welfare society because they will give the infra projects. Okay, which is nothing but social projects, like they will provide a health. Okay, they will provide education. Okay, so they will provide dams, bridges. Okay, all these things will be done. Okay, so such a way they will create a equality in the society. Okay, so it is actually the win-win situation. Okay, for the person with the black money and for the government of India. Okay, and also in this elephant bond, there is also the interest percentage of 5%. Okay, so such a way that is also another win situation for this person. Okay, he is actually not going into any arrest issue, not getting any penalty. Okay, he is also getting an interest payment for that investment. Okay, so such that the government of India did a lot to just get back the black money into the circulation. Okay, so this is actually one of the most successful move done by the government of India. Okay, so there may be the question in future related to the elephant bond. Okay, so please note it.